You have joined a fashion e-commerce company and your boss has asked you to create a detailed marketing plan. How would you go about it? Well, if you're wondering, then you have stopped on the right video. Hello everyone, I am Nidhi Singh and you're watching This is Digital Marketing. Let's get you started on creating a detailed acquisition marketing plan via Meta. Well, first thing first, let's get you to define your target audience. Who are these people that you're catering to? To create an effective customer acquisition plan, you must try identifying target audience. Who are they? What are their demographics? What are their interests? What are their behaviors? What kind of clothes do they like? Are they mostly men? Are they women? What age group do they belong to? And then start clustering your target audience based on certain attributes like young female going to office or of this age and trying to aspire to become someone XYZ. So you would want to target these women with professional clothing at a certain cost range. So you get the drift, right? Figure out what kind of men are shopping mostly on your e-commerce site. Are these people who go to gym and looking for more athletic clothes, and hence you should target these premium Pumas of the world to them? Find out what strikes a chord with your target audience. You can also look at your existing customer audience and create a lookalike audience on your Facebook Ads Manager. Lookalike audience will help you go and reach out to more customers who look like your existing audience, and custom audience will help you reach newer customers that you want to reach. Now, second step is to figure out what is your objective. Do you want to achieve more traffic, or do you want to achieve more lead generation? If you are an e-commerce site, you might decide that my KPI is to get more customers to view a certain page and then explore more clothes option there, and then the rest of the things are someone else's KPI, like someone else would be responsible for what kind of clothes to be put on that particular landing. So here you will work with various teams to put together a user journey that really works well for your acquisition strategy. So if you are targeting to female who are working professional, who aspire to take their career ahead and are in certain age bracket and financial standpoint, then you want to show certain kind of clothes which appeal with this premium audience, and hence your landing page should also be attuned with this objective. If suppose your objective is lead generation, say you want them to come on a certain page and subscribe to your website or install your app, then in such case you will show ads to this audience which will not lead to any explore page but directly leads to install of the app. Like for example, Nykaa and Myntra run a lot of ads that don't take you like Ajios of the world to an explore page. They take you to app install page. So that's why you need to have clear focus on what your objective is. Then point number 3 is budget allocation. Now when you have figured who your audience is, what your objective is, and if you are already given certain targets, you will reverse calculate and you will figure out what is the budget. On the whiteboard with a pie chart showing how to distribute the budget, you can do an exercise. Determine how much you are willing to spend on your Instagram ad, on your Facebook ads. It's crucial to allocate your budget wisely among various ad sets. For instance, a city like Mumbai can have a lot more customers than a tier 2 city like Nagpur, right? So, step 4 is ad creative and copy, wherein your ad creatives is what captures your audience's attention. Use high quality fashion images. You would always see a difference between the ads used by Amazon, Ajio and Nykaa. Nykaa always have very premium, very action oriented, very chic visuals, right? And that kind of gives a sense that it's a very expensive brand. Whereas even when Amazon is using the same clothing to promote their app, you would see the image is very subdued, right? So you need to take care of these nuances, that how you reflect your brand. Your ad creatives is what captures audience attention. Use high quality images and videos that resonate with your target audience. If it is premium, you want them to reflect premiumness. If it is massy, you want them to be achievable, attainable for the masses. Craft compelling ad copy. It doesn't always mean very intellectual or very witty copy. Craft something that strikes a chord with your audience. For instance, Meesho will have a very different kind of ad copy vis-a-vis a Nika, right? Yeah, another bit is very important, especially when you're starting in the initial phase, when you're setting up your campaigns. Remember, timing is extremely important. Determine when your target audience is most active and most prone to consuming your content. For example, I also explore these shopping websites at night time after dinner. So maybe evening is a better time, late evening is a better time for you to run your ads. Basis your segment, basis your brand, you need to use this intel to craft more impactful ad. Choose the right ad placement across Facebook and Instagram. Whether they like more reels, I mean, whether they like more story ads versus post ads. For instance, I always engage with story ads and I never engage with on feed ads. I never go to Facebook. So you need to understand whether your audience is present on Insta stories or engaging on Insta stories, or are they actually going on Facebook. This is crucial to determine whether your target audience is most engaging with any ad format. Monitoring and optimization. So voila, when your ad is run, once your ad is live, closely monitor key performance indicators, which is your key KPIs, such as click-through rate, conversions. Do take care whether you are reaching enough number of people, enough number of impressions are coming on your ads. Regularly optimize your campaigns by adjusting targeting, budgets, and ad creatives to improve results, right? So yeah, if you are doing these things, in conclusion, creating a detailed customer acquisition plan, creating a table format with your target audience, the budget allocated, impressions, click-through rate, conversions, and then seeing whether what you wanted to achieve is getting achieved or not via your meta ads, that will kind of help you really create impactful acquisition campaign. So yeah, that's all for now. Wish you all the best. Do comment and let me know if you have any questions. Do check out my playlist on performance marketing.